Like a giblet or something.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No peeking.
This is binging.
No peeking.
This is your first one. Carry
Can you
on.
smell it first?
No.
Shut up. Douche. I'm wiping up my eye. I don't know what to do.
Simon's open your eyes.
I'm not even doing it.
You have to swallow it for a point. I'm gonna wee you back.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
Open your mouth.
No, I know what it is.
Don't be a fool. Open your mouth. Gaffin. Open your mouth.
I know what it is.
Open your mouth.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it, Gaffin?
I know what it is.
Gaffin liked it. Gaffin liked it.
Right, write down an answer.
Oh, that is really bad, isn't it? Oh, Thomas is sick. Oh. Kerry's first.
Why am I always first?
Kerry is first
I'm not doing
again.
that again.
Close your eyes.
No.
Let's see what this dish is. Come on, Bethany. Come on, Bethany.
Oh, mate.
I'm gonna make myself in a minute. Ready?
No.
This is a smaller.
I don't even want to be sick.
This is a smaller bowl now, right?
I don't want to bowl out for that shit again.
No, this is a smaller one. No! Ready?
Disgusting.
Ready? Don't put my sweets back in that.
Oh, it's minging that look.
No, I'm fine. Ready?
I'm not doing it for me
This is a
again.
teaspoon, tiny one.
No, I'm not even doing that again.
You have to get him.
Ready? Thomas?
No, ma'am.
Only little one. Tiny, tiny
It's
one.
alright.
Not even put
It's
it in.
alright, this one.
Is it a little tiny bit at the end?
Tiny, tiny one.
I've got my one.
Just think it's a little tiny, tiny one.
What's my head then? Oh, don't.
Guess it's only a little one.
minging.
It's a little tiny one.
That's up, I'll first be slapping you. Oh, no.
Guess it. Guess it, it's a little tiny
No,
one.
no, that's minging.
Little tiny one.
Yep. It might be a little tiny one, but I don't know what
Look,
it
it's
is.
literally on the end of the spoon. Come in.
Come here. Nice, isn't it? Get it.
Right, that was number 2.
You know what yours is?
What was that?
I know what it is. Oh, yeah.
That's what I think it is.
That's what I think it is.
Right, number 3.
No, can we not do it anymore?
This is
No,
nice.
that's minging.
Close your eyes.
Not loads of it again. I just
No.
want a little bit at the tip of my
Alright,
tongue
on
this
the
time
tip of your
again.
tongue, okay? I promise you.
You promise?
Promise.
Promise.
Just give me some food.
Oh no, don't start that again.
I don't like it.
Oh.
No, it's not. Stop it. I don't like it.
I don't want to tip, man.
Okay, tip. I'm not eating that.
Be sick again, I'm not doing it. That's yummy, that. No, it's not. That's yummy, that.
Ready? So, Gaffin. Gaffin. Gaffin.
What? That's nice.
Open your mouth. Gaffin. Gaffin. Gaffin.
Oh! That's nice,
Come on,
that one.
turn on the camera. Look
That
at
I
it.
know, I know why.
It's in my manner.
That's nice, that is.
You wait, let's free do the chicken.
It's applesauce.
Okay.
You like applesauce?
Not straight.
Oh, I've not told you the answer. Write it down.
We have.
Oh, I know that one.
Oh, that was horrible.
You and get this back now. Mum, I literally just want to taste it in my tongue. I don't want a mouthful.
Okay, this is a teaspoon. This is a tiny.
I don't even want to put it in my mouth. Just taste it.
Okay, close your eyes.
Is that the first one was nasty?
Oh, I like that, but
Where's the camera there?
Why go now?
Open your mouth properly.
No, ma'am, I don't want it. I just want it on my tongue.
Okay.
stop being such a girl. Oh, my bed don't work.
Good. I said, this is my mouth.
What is that?
Let's see Kelly's answers.
Oh, that's minging. Get me a drink, that's
Let's
horrible.
see your answers, Kelly.
No, get me a drink, honestly. That's minging.
No, it's not. Just come on.
No, get me a drink, mum.
Get us water, man. Loads of it.
Loads
That
of
was
it.
horrible.
You got one.
Oh, I haven't.
No, yeah, man. I've not sorted my first one out yet.
Don't cheat.
I've not sorted my second one out.
Let's see the 6th bucket now. Very nice.
This is the last
No,
one.
yeah, man. I've not thought my third yet.
This is very nice.
One yet.
The last one, yeah, is this, by the way.
Valentine Pied. Ready?
Oh yeah, can I have number taste number 2, 3, 4?
We're closing
Just
the
a tiny
6th
tip
bucket.
at the taste number 4.
Do you like it? Something?
No. I just want literally just to
Yeah,
dabble in
it's
the
alright.
tongue.
Something such a girl.
Like, that's horrible.
Oh, come on.
Kelly knows what it is because she likes it very much.
I like them. At my own park.
She said she liked them earlier today. What's the next one?
What was that? That's horrible.
They're in something. Right, ready?
Oh, I'm not
Last
sure
one.
that one.
Last one. Ready?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that's minging. I'm not even eating that. I'd give up that.
No, you don't,
Last one, Thomas.
no, don't pull out.
Oh, well.
Tip. Tip my tongue. Man, just a tip, man. Just a tiny little.
Not forcing to that. I'd go bed.
I don't want to know. It's just a tiny bit.
Ready? Right, Jeffy.
No, man.
Just try it.
No. Put your tongue out. Don't.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's all you have to do then.
Ah, there.
More water, please, dolls.
That is rank.
What is that? That's tasted that before, but I don't know
That's
what
like cough medicine, isn't it? Come on, don't tell everybody.
I know what it is. Yeah.
That's minging.
Oh, that's what it's
Do
called.
you want a clue?
No.
Come on, stop cheating.
I don't know what it is. I've got no idea what last
No.
I know it, I do.
I know what it is.
Cough mixture. Right.
I have a lot of
Okay.
it. I always have it because
I know what the first
Number one. Number one.
mayo.
No.
Mayonnaise.
Garlic
Yeah.
and
Oh, I put
mayonnaise.
sour cream
No,
or mayonnaise.
no, mayonnaise.
Oh, I put sour
The
cream
first
or
one's garlic and
mayonnaise.
herb.
No, it was just
plain
normal
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
You sure?
Yeah.
I am.
Normal mayonnaise.
Sour
Next
cream or
one
mayo.
was oil. The next one was cooking oil.
Yeah, I've got
Third
chip
one.
oil.
Third one, applesauce. Applesauce.
Fourth was
one.
minging.
Fourth one I thought was pickle vinegar.
Minging.
Pickle vinegar. And
Fifth
fifth one,
was
buttercup.
Cavonia,
The
actually.
buttercup.
I have
Nearly. Oh, I put Cavonia first. and then Nearly. I put buttercup.
Is it cough medicine?
It was Calpol. What? That was Calpol?
That tastes good.
Is
That's not
it
good.
Calpol?
No, it's Cavonia, Mum.
That wasn't Cavonia.
Cavonia's black.
It's buttercup.
Oh.
It's Baddeley. Coffee mixture.
That is minging.
That was
I could
me.
have sworn I've got.
Nope. I got
No,
a 4
I
out of 5.
have a garlic free.
I got 4 out of 5.
I got
And they were minging.
3 out of 5.
I
That
got
was
2.
good though, wasn't it?
No.
Him, the first